The Magnesium Dilemma. Why this miracle mineral isn't for everyone. Have you ever heard that magnesium is a miracle mineral, good for your heart, your muscles, your sleep, and even your mood? It's true. Magnesium is essential for over 300 processes in your body. But here's the shocking truth. For some people, taking magnesium can actually be dangerous. In fact, there are 4 warning signs that mean you should never take magnesium supplements unless your doctor says it's safe. Welcome to Senior Renewal. I'm Dr. Mark Ellis. Today, we're diving deep into the magnesium dilemma. You'll learn the 4 red flags that mean magnesium could do more harm than good, and the 5 clear signs your body is begging for more. If you want to protect your health, avoid dangerous mistakes, and get the most out of this powerful mineral, this video is for you. Let's start with the basics. Magnesium is found in every cell of your body. It helps your muscles contract, your nerves send signals, your heart beats steadily, and your bones stay strong. Most people don't get enough magnesium from food, especially as they age. But for some, taking extra magnesium can be risky. 1. You have advanced kidney disease. Your kidneys are responsible for filtering excess magnesium out of your blood. If your kidneys aren't working well due to chronic kidney disease or failure, magnesium can build up to dangerous levels. This can cause muscle weakness, irregular heartbeat, confusion, and even life-threatening heart problems. Warning sign. If you've been diagnosed with stage 4 or 5 kidney disease, or you're on dialysis, never take magnesium supplements unless your nephrologist specifically prescribes them. 2. You're taking certain medications. Some medications interact with magnesium, either raising its levels or making it less effective. These include certain antibiotics, blood pressure drugs, and diuretics. Taking magnesium with these medications can cause side effects or reduce the effectiveness of your treatment. Warning sign. If you're on prescription medications, especially for your heart, blood pressure, or infections, always check with your doctor or pharmacist before starting magnesium. 3. You have a history of heart block or slow heart rate. Magnesium affects the electrical signals in your heart. If you have a condition called heart block or your heart rate is already slow, extra magnesium can make it worse, leading to dizziness, fainting, or even cardiac arrest. Warning sign. If you've ever been told you have heart block, bradycardia, or unexplained fainting spells, avoid magnesium supplements unless your cardiologist approves. 4. You have severe diarrhea or digestive disorders. Magnesium is a natural laxative. If you already have chronic diarrhea, irritable bowel syndrome, or inflammatory bowel disease, taking magnesium can make your symptoms worse, leading to dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, and weakness. Warning sign. If you struggle with ongoing digestive issues, talk to your doctor before adding magnesium. So, while magnesium is a powerful ally for many, it's not for everyone. If you have any of these 4 warning signs, don't take magnesium supplements without medical advice. But what if you're on the other side of the spectrum? What if your body is actually crying out for more magnesium? 5 signs you must take magnesium daily and how to do it safely. Now let's talk about the flip side. Magnesium deficiency is incredibly common, especially in seniors. Our soils are depleted, our diets are less varied, and certain medications can drain magnesium from your body. Here are 5 signs you might need more magnesium every single day. 1. You get frequent muscle cramps or spasms. Do you wake up at night with painful leg cramps or feel your eyelid twitching for no reason? These are classic signs of low magnesium. Magnesium helps your muscles relax. Without enough, they become irritable and prone to spasms. What to do? Try adding magnesium-rich foods like spinach, almonds, pumpkin seeds, and black beans to your diet. If cramps persist, talk to your doctor about a supplement. 2. You struggle with poor sleep or insomnia. Magnesium helps your body produce melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. If you have trouble falling or staying asleep, low magnesium could be the blame. What to do? A small dose of magnesium before bed can help you relax and improve sleep quality. Look for magnesium glycinate or citrate, which are gentle on the stomach. 3. You feel anxious, irritable, or depressed. Magnesium plays a key role in brain chemistry. Low levels are linked to anxiety, depression, and mood swings. If you feel on edge or down for no clear reason, magnesium might help. What to do? Focus on whole foods, leafy greens, and nuts. If your mood doesn't improve, ask your doctor about magnesium as part of your mental health plan. 4. You have high blood pressure or irregular heartbeat. Magnesium helps relax blood vessels and keeps your heart rhythm steady. Studies show that people with low magnesium are more likely to have high blood pressure and arrhythmias. What to do? If you have hypertension or palpitations, talk to your doctor about checking your magnesium levels. A supplement may help, but only under supervision. 5. You're often tired or weak. Magnesium is essential for turning food into energy. If you feel tired all the time, even after a good night's sleep, you could be running low. What to do? Eat more magnesium-rich foods and consider a supplement if your doctor agrees. You'll likely notice more energy and less fatigue within a few weeks. How to take magnesium safely. Start with food first. Leafy greens, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and legumes are great sources. Choose the right supplement. Magnesium glycinate, citrate, or malate are well absorbed and gentle on digestion. Watch your dose. Most adults need 300 to 400 milligrams per day. Too much can cause diarrhea or stomach upset. Check with your doctor, especially if you have kidney, heart, or digestive issues or take medications. Stay hydrated. Magnesium works best when your body has enough water. Pair magnesium with calcium and vitamin D for bone and muscle health. Spread your dose throughout the day if you're sensitive to supplements. Magnesium is a powerful mineral, but it's not for everyone. If you have kidney disease, certain heart conditions, or digestive issues, be cautious. But if you're struggling with cramps, poor sleep, anxiety, high blood pressure, or fatigue, magnesium could be the missing piece to your health puzzle. Always talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to know the truth about magnesium. And let us know in the comments, have you ever tried magnesium? What changes did you notice? Here's to smarter choices, better health, and a stronger, more energized you at any age.